Handa surprise.
Handa put 7 delicious fruits in a basket for her friend Aquest. Banana, guava, orange, mango, pineapple, avocado, pear, passion fruit, tangerine.
She will be surprised, thought Handa as she set off over Aquest village. I wonder which fruit she likes best.
Will she like the soft yellow banana?
Or the sweet smelling guava?
Will she like the round, juicy orange?
Or the ripe red mango? The creamy green avocado? Will she like the spike leaf pineapple? Or the tangy purple passion fruit? The goat pulls and break the road, runs and kick the tangerine tree. Which fruit will Aquest like best? Hello, Aquest. I wrote you a surprise. Tangerines, my favorite fruit. Tangerines? That is a surprise.